the head.
Dang, he's big.
Okay. When's the last time you saw the baby?
Never.
Huh?
Never. First ultrasound for him.
Really?
Yeah.
How'd you have the boy?
Just because of my first pregnancy and this pregnancy are so the same.
Oh.
He's been beating me up.
Do you go to Disney World?
We went once.
What did you think of it? Bigger?
It was big. We only went when we had my one son.
Yeah.
So we didn't get a chance to
They
do.
have gators over there in Disneyland?
Fake ones.
Fake ones.
Fake ones. I don't think they would. I mean, they have Gatorland.
Oh.
Like really short distance from there.
Oh. Gators attack people?
It depends on the mating season. If you go near them during mating season, they'll chase you down.
Oh.
But if it's not, they'll just hiss at you and you can walk past them. I've walked past them like a few feet from them, you know, and they don't bother you. But you do have to be careful.
How big can they get?
I've seen some about 14 feet. They eat dogs sometimes.
Catch a dog, dog's toast, yeah?
Oh yeah, they my mom and them, they live out there in the swamps. Like there's swamps all over, but we've lost dogs to the back ponds because they get in there and the dogs are protecting us, and the gators kill our dogs.
Wow. Wow. That's just amazing, yeah? The gators.
I don't miss them. I don't miss having to worry about them.
No. In Hawaii, we just have mosquitoes.
Yeah, I know, and I'm not used to not having snakes here either. Me and my husband have been arguing about, we swear up and down there's going to be a snake somewhere. But they say they're not.
We just have lizards.
Oh, my husband swears he's seen centipedes the size of your arm.
Yeah, there are big ones here.
He goes out in the field a lot, so.
2 pounds, 10 ounces, they are there.
Already? He's been beating me up pretty bad. He was laying sideways some way.
Oh, let's listen to the heart. It's always a good time to listen to the heart. Good heart rate, yeah?
Good.
Strong. That's a strong one, my dear.
Yeah, he's been very active lately.
Love gators. We don't get them here, you see. We had them in Thailand. I remember I had to go in a gator pit or crocodile. I don't know which one it was. And they wanted me to pull the tail of one. Because the Thai guys get money, if you do it.
Yeah.
So you just get it in, you hold the tail and take a picture of you, and then you jump out again.
Yeah, they do that at Gatorland too.
Yeah, same kind of hokey pokey thing.
I'm not doing it.
But then they had one where a tiger was tied up on like a rope to this thing in the ground. And they want me to go sit next to the tiger and poke it with a stick and it'll growl at me and then they'll take a picture. I said, no way.
Yeah.
Growl at me. The thing, his head was like huge, this tiger. I said, I am not doing that. You can forget about that. That thing might friggin' get mental and bite me to death. I am not doing that, my darling. Now, what do you have at home? Boy and a girl?
Yep, one of each.
And you never had an ultrasound to determine the sex?
No. They only give you 2 weeks to go in and do the ultrasound.
Yeah.
And that's whenever I decided to switch anyways, so I was like, wow.
Yeah.
So it's laying to its back against my stomach.
No, these are legs and legs here. Leg and leg, bum. So I'm trying to look between the legs.
Yeah.
And I don't see a pee-pee yet.
Ah.
Just putting it out there, sweetie.
Dang.
I don't see one yet. I'll keep looking. I'll keep looking.
I'll laugh if it's a girl because my husband's screwed.
Well, it looks like a girl to me. I don't see any boy bits there. I think it's a girl. Just what I see now.
Yeah.
Because usually if it's a boy, I'll see the scrotum sac coming out
Yeah.
the back here. And then look, I'm looking in between the legs here.
And I guess it's true, each pregnancy is different.
Yeah. See, here's in between the legs, look here.
Yeah.
I certainly don't see any boy there.
Hmm.
We'll wait here a bit and see if something crops up. I don't think anything's going to crop up, actually. See, there's legs.
Yeah.
And here,
Uh-huh.
looks like nothing in there.
Hmm. Doesn't look like it.
I'm spin it around this way. Get the opposite look, opposite end. See it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to say for this point, for this visit, it looks like a girl. Which is really going to change, yeah.
Oh, by now, yeah.
Well, it ain't going to change. It's just,
Yeah.
I mean, I should see. Yeah, look. Here, let's see.
Mm.
Both legs.
Yeah. And it's a girl.
So it looks 90% girl to me, girl.
Ah.